Hi guys, and welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. It's time for another drawing tutorial. Here's what you're going to need. Pencils. Any type of pencils will do. A black marker, an eraser, and paper or drawing pad. Are you ready? Grab your pencil. Let's draw. First, you're going to draw a circle for the head. Then draw a line for the upper jaw and a line for the bottom jaw. Add 2 additional lines to complete the mouth. Draw 2 little curves for the nostrils. Some dragons have horns, so draw 2 squiggly lines for each horn. If you make a mistake, just use your eraser and start again. Make sure to connect the bottom of the front squiggly lines. Now draw 2 ovals for the ears. Add the eyes and draw a V shape for the teeth. You've just drawn your dragon's head. Now draw a large oval for the body. Draw 2 lines connecting the head to the body to form the neck. For the tail, draw 2 curved lines. The dragon wings are not as hard as you think. Follow what I do at your own pace. Hit pause when you need to. It's as simple as drawing a few straight lines and a few curved lines. Take your time. I know you'll do a great job. And now you've done the dragon's wings. Great job! Let's start on the legs. Draw a C shape for the hips. Now draw 2 curved lines for the back leg. Don't forget the dragon's toes. The front legs are a similar shape. Let's draw a second front leg. Now it's time for the dragon's belly scales. Just follow the outline of the body and the tail. Make several small curved lines for the scales. I love it! It's so cute! Your dragon drawing is all done. Wait, it needs more. I know! Since dragons fly, let's put it in the sky. Draw loop-de-loops around your dragon. If you don't like what you've done, go ahead and use an eraser. This is why I always draw in pencil. Now our dragon is in the sky and on a cloud. What else? I've got it. Dragons breathe fire. Not ours. Ours breathes rainbows. Draw an arch, a curved line, and another arch. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Now section off your rainbow to show these colors. red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. There's your rainbow. You just finished your rainbow breathing dragon. Now is my favorite part. Grab your black marker and start tracing. This makes your hard work more permanent. Yay, it's done! Your rainbow breathing dragon. Don't forget to initial and date your drawing for that personal touch. Give the ink time to dry, then erase the pencil marks. Beautiful! I love this dragon. You guys did so good. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. I love getting your fun ideas to draw, like this one from Ferris. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!